Hello, fellow classmates. Hi, my name is Kim Bradley. Um, this is my introduction video, and I am just meeting you, most of you, for the first time. So, basically, my experiences with learning research mostly has been with working with school projects, but recently I've engaged in research in my work as an underwriting analyst, in which I use research on a daily basis to verify information regarding quotes for health insurance. Uh, what would make learning research fun for me? I think it would be fun discovering new ideas and exploring ways to resolve issues concerning my clients that would allow me to learn better ways and more innovative ways to help them. Um, After viewing the syllabus for this class, what excites me the most about it is that I see that we will be working and learning a lot about qualitative methods and evaluations. And I am excited to learn how to apply these methods to my future practice as a social worker. I look forward to working with all of you over the next 7 weeks, and have a great evening. Thank you for listening.